When we first brought in Reliant Man to the office to do some work, it didn't go as planned. We always knew he was an expert in the field, but office work, it just wasn't his thing. But one day, it all changed.
Hello, is this Reliant Air Conditioning? Hello?
Come on, man.
Please, someone, I need help. My air conditioner is broken. Hello? Please, someone help me.
Reliant Man, my office, now. You know we like to have fun here, right? But the second that gets in the way of servicing our customers, we have a problem. We got some feedback from an angry customer. She said you left her hanging on a service call? Look, you need to decide what's more important, goofing off or being a hero to our customers. You left her hanging on a service call?
Please, someone help me.
You left her hanging on a service call? You need to decide what's more important, goofing off or being a hero to our customers.